Are you looking for an experienced chiropractor interested in your health and well-being? Got neck pain, back pain, headaches, arthritis, or been in a recent auto accident? By naturally balancing the spine, muscles, and nervous system, chiropractors can help relieve your pain and improve overall health and wellness. We have an excellent, caring, and professional staff available to serve you. We promise to do everything in our power to help you regain your health. We do this by giving you the most effective care possible in the least amount of time, while keeping your costs as low as possible. Remember, chiropractic care can lead to pain relief and permanent recovery from injury. The road to recovery and improved health starts by contacting our office today.